The Rolex Reunion at Laguna Seca. Hugely important old race cars on one of America's greatest tracks, and a good old Californian spectacle for the sake of it. BMW of North America kindly loaned me a 1975 3.0 CSL works car for all this, for a story in England's Car magazine. 4 decades ago, CSL's won Sebring and Daytona, but also 6 European touring car championships, including every title between 1975 and 1979. They carry some of the best engines ever built, and they love to slide. Brian Redman himself once said that, while you could point a CSL in an apex, that didn't necessarily mean you would hit it. My car was almost exactly as it ran in the 70s. A logistical error meant it started the race on nearly dead rear tires, so my arms were a bit busy. The brakes also went away a few laps in, taking a couple pumps before the car would even think about stopping. It was all initially nerve-wracking, but race cars have a funny way of clearing your head. By the time the flag dropped, the whole experience had turned into a kind of gossamer dream. I qualified 6th of 50 cars, behind 4 Porsche 935s and a Decon Monza. They had hundreds more horsepower, so I was by myself after a lap or so, ahead of a train of snarling RSRs. Early into corners, to allow for the drifts I knew were coming, the car is sweetheart, but the tires so worn that they never slid the same way twice. It was a window into a time when racing was an odd combination of finesse and madness, operatic and violent. So let's take a few minutes and just bathe in it.